Turn on your camera and sit, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, so today we will write in notebook or textbook?
Notebook.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sit.
Ma'am, Karenya has gone to washroom. She is just joining in 2 minutes.
Deek Patel. Okay, noted. Deek Patel, turn on your camera, please. And Ahana, sit properly, please. Anya and Janya.
Ma'am, we will be writing
Ma'am, my
in
camera is
notebook
on
today.
only.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Turn on your camera, everyone, and sit. Okay, children, as you all know that we are doing the chapter number 7, jugs and mugs. In that we have done yesterday the introductory part of 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. Half a liter is 500 milliliter, right? Now we are going to learn how to convert liter into milliliters. So write the first question in your notebook. Write today's date. Write the heading conversion of liter and
Ma'am, may
milliliter.
I go to washroom?
My dear, then you will miss the class. I don't have any
Ma'am,
problem.
can you, can you set your camera a little bit up because I can't see.
Now,
No, ma'am, I can only see
Good
liter
morning,
and.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Now check, please.
Ma'am, ma'am, now I can
We
see.
will write in the notebook.
Yes.
Ma'am, so I am out of the town, so I cannot write in the notebook.
Whichever notebook you have, please write.
Okay, ma'am.
Conversion liter and milliliter. Conversion of liter and milliliter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Yuksurana.
Ma'am, my little bit net issue was there, so you got my that Google form.
Yes.
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
check and revert you also in that.
Okay,
Conversion
ma'am.
of liter and milliliter. So we are going to learn how to convert the liter into milliliter.
Ma'am,
Milliliter. No talking in between, please. Now listen. If you join late, it's your problem now. Turn on your camera and sit Mohammed Patel and Rishik Bajaj. I am not teaching to your logos, Rishik. Turn on your camera, please. Deek, turn on your camera. Otherwise, you are allowed to leave my class, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Conversion of liter and milliliter. We are going to learn the conversions now. First question is right. Convert liter into milliliter. Can anyone give me one example based on it? Raise your virtual hand. How to convert the liter into milliliter? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Deep Patel.
ma'am,
दानिया
three.
आप गुड आफ्टरनून और गुड मॉर्निंग में ही पूरा पीरियड निकाल देना बच्चा. ओके जानिया, आप मैसेजेस टाइप करने में गुड मॉर्निंग गुड आफ्टरनून में ही पूरा पीरियड निकाल देना. यू डोंट टेक आउट योर नोटबुक्स एंड डोंट राइट.
Ma'am, I can say
यस दीप पटेल.
like 3 liter is equals to 3000 milliliter.
3 liter equals to 3000 milliliter. What you have done here? Which operation you have applied here?
We know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So we multiply 3 is equals to 1000. So it is 3000.
Very good. Excellent. Now, please write this in your notebook and one sum based on the same concept, make it by your own. Yes, Bhakti. Give me one more example based on the same situation.
Yes, ma'am. 4 liter is equal 4000 ml.
Very good. Next, Yuk Surana. Khush
Ma'am.
Desai, I noticed that you join your classes late nowadays.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And turn on your camera and sit. Yes, Varenya.
Ma'am, I am Varija and I have a song.
Let me talk with other students. I will come to you.
Ma'am, you have said
Ma'am.
Neil Yog.
No. Mute your mic, Varija. Bhakti, good. Next is Kavisha. Kavisha, make one more sum based on the same situation.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this was we have to write in our notebook.
Yes. Why don't you children listen at the one go? You need to write it
7
in your notebooks.
7 liter is equals to 7000 milliliter.
Very good. Kiana, make one problem based on the same situation.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ansel, please drink. Hansel, Navya, Kush Desai, Kiana, these children have joined my class late. From now onwards, if you join my class late, I will mark absent. And Rishik, I know that your camera is working and you are purposely not turning on your camera. So I'm removing you from my class. Sorry then. Don't expect that you switch off your camera and sit in my class and sleeping in my class. I will directly remove you. I will not bring into your notice also. Deek Patel, this is the last now. Last warning. Deek Patel, what is this? Why you are playing with your camera?
Ma'am, I am not.
No, ma'am.
Then, Yuk Surana, turn on your camera, please.
Mama, camera is on only.
It's on now. Not it was not on before. Children, I really don't like to scream on you, not to shout on you. But why you allow me to do this? Okay, Kiana, give me the example based on it.
Okay, ma'am. 2 liter is equals to 2000 milliliter.
Yes. Arnav Desai, give me one example based on it.
Ma'am, yes. 8 liter and 8000 milliliters.
Take big examples. Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, it is my example. I had written in chat box.
Arnav, give me.
I also write in my notebook.
Take another number, Arnav.
Ma'am, can I say?
I will give you chance, Varija. Raise your virtual hand. You don't have an option to raising your hand. Yes, please raise your virtual hand. Follow class rules. Yes. Arnav Desai, you be ready by the time I'll ask from someone else. Yes, Prayag.
Yes, ma'am. 10 liter is equals to 10,000 milliliter. 1
Very
liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So 10 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 10,000 milliliter.
Very good. Laisha.
Ma'am, 17 70 liter is equal to 17,000 because 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml 1000 milliliters. So 17 multiplied by 1000 is 17,000 ml.
Very good. Next, Varija.
20 liter is equals to 20,000 milliliter because 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml.
Okay,
And
Marinya.
may I can say?
Varinya.
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is not coming. I'm moving to the next child. Yes, Meer Virani.
Hello. Ma'am, ma'am, 64 liter is equal to 64,000 milliliter because 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliter. So 64 liter multiplied by 1,000 is equal to 64,000 milliliter.
Excellent. Good. Now write the second question. Now we are going to learn the next conversion. Convert liter and milliliter I am writing the short form of the milliliters. Convert liter and milliliter into milliliter. Can anyone frame the question based on it? Raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand, students. Yes, Kush Desai. Why you not raising your hand nowadays? Give me
Ma'am, I was
the
raising and suddenly you said so.
now give me the answer question on this.
Milliliter into liter, no.
Liter and milliliter into milliliter. Both the situations are there. There's some part you have in liter, some part in milliliter. Convert the combine into the milliliter. For example, if I give you one example, then you will better understand. 2 liter, 250 milliliter, convert it into the milliliter. So 2 liter, which is a liter, you need to convert the liter into the milliliter by multiplying with the 1000, which is 2000, and add the 250, which is already in milliliter. So it will become 2250 milliliter. So in the question, you have something in the liter, something in the milliliter. Combine both, you will have to convert into the milliliter. Now give me one example. Arnav, you raise your virtual hand. We have some class rules. Yes, Kush Desai. Your voice is not coming, Kush. Your mic is mute.
4 liter, 300 ml.
Okay.
300 milliliters. So then, 4 into 1000 is equal to 4,000. 4 into 1000 is equal to 4,000 plus 300. So it will be 4,300 milliliters.
Very good. The question which I have written, please write it in the notebooks. This sum you have to write, and 2 more extra sum you have to prepare according to you. Okay, the same situation which is your own. Yeah, 2 more. Yes, Ahana. Turn on your camera and please speak on this.
Ma'am, I am writing. Ma'am, you wrote ml into ml.
Yeah, ml into ml only, milliliter into ml.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please.
5 liter is equal to 5,000 ml.
No. Complete say what you have. Something in liters and something in milliliters. Then you need to convert the complete into the milliliters.
Okay, ma'am. 5 liter is 5 liter and 350 ml. So, uh, 5 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 5,000, and then we will add 350, and it is wait a minute.
It will be. Janya, are you writing?
Ma'am,
Show me a notebook.
it will be 5,350 ml.
Okay. Kush Desai, again your camera is off. Very good.
And my
Mute
exam
first.
today.
Okay. Yes, Janya. Janya, show me your notebook. That you are writing in your notebook. Janya, am I audible to you? Please show me your notebook.
Ma'am, sometimes my
Yes,
camera
ma'am.
on off. That's why you can see that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In this 2000, you didn't write plus sign.
You also write now. Okay.
I wrote it.
Okay. Two sums I can see Prayag has written in the chat box few sums. Please students write in the chat box. I can see Laisha has written some sums in the chat box. As I already told you that
You
after
can
the
write
class also
some
I
in the
read the
chat
chat
box.
box. Yes, please write. In your notebook also. In your notebook also, in the chat box also. Two more sums based on the same situation. Yes, Navya. Navya, make
Nothing.
one sum based on this situation.
Mm, 3 liter.
Okay.
350 milliliter.
Hmm.
3 multiplied by 1000 equals 3000 plus 350 is equal to. Ma'am, I can calculate and send the answer
3000
in
plus
chat box.
350 is, okay. Next is Hansel. Make one question based on this situation.
Yes, ma'am.
Fast.
Ma'am, we have to. Ma'am, I want to take question. No.
You have to make one question based on this situation. That you have something in liters, something in milliliters, and you need to convert completely into the milliliters.
Ma'am, I have sent in the chat box. Can you check
Yes,
my
I
sum?
can see.
Excuse me,
Yes, yes,
ma'am. Ma'am, 79 liter.
yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. I can't understand the sum which you did.
Marija, the situation is convert liter and milliliter into the milliliter. Some part is in liter and some is in milliliter. Now combine, you need to convert it into the milliliters. So you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
to convert the liter into the milliliter. 2 multiplied by 1000 is 2000 milliliter.
Okay.
And the 250 is already in milliliter. You need to add it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can I erase the board? Students, show me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up. Can I move to the next third situation?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
can see Duke Surana is sitting with the camera off. I don't know what he's doing behind the screen.
Mama, camera is on only always.
Sorry, bacha, then I am not telling like this simply only. I don't have to tell you again and again the same thing. I also don't like. Okay, the
Ma'am,
next
what is the third question?
third question. Convert milliliter into liter. Now, milliliter is a smaller unit, liter is a bigger unit. When you are converting the number which is in milliliter, and from Meet Prohit, today you have joined late, bacha, and still you are not at your place properly. Milliliter into liter. Milliliter also. Stable yourself, Meet, properly. You are somewhere out, Meet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, put your mic off.
Yes, ma'am. I was in
Ma'am,
my
yes,
nanny
ma'am,
house.
he's in Rajasthan.
So sit at one place. Convert milliliter into liter. Now here, when milliliter is a smaller unit and liter is a bigger unit, when from smaller unit you are converting into the bigger unit, always divide. For example, if I have 12,000 milliliter, so 12,000 milliliter, when converting into the liter, divided by 1000.
Ma'am, it is 12 liter.
Yes. So when any number is divided by 1000 or 100 or jitni bhi zero hai, Ahana sit properly in the class. that zero number will be deducted. So what you have, 12 liter will be the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now
Now,
we can do these two examples
two
more.
example based on this situation. Write it by your own. And raise your virtual hand. I will give you a chance to speak.
Ma'am, I know how to do this.
Yes, Varija, please speak one sum. Give me based on this.
Okay, ma'am. 15,000 multiplied by
No, 15,000 milliliter
Divided by-
yes.
divided by 1,000. So what we have to do is we have to write 12,000 upside and we have to make a line and we need to write downside
Yes.
1,000 and then we have to cut 2 zeros from both of them and then we have to plus multiply it.
No,
We have to plus it.
no. Where? What do you have to plus? See, 12,000 divided by 1,000. Your
Yes,
zeros
ma'am.
will be cancelled. So answer is only 12. And you said it was your question was 15,000. So 15,000
Yeah,
divided
so
by
15
1,000.
is the answer.
So 15 is the answer.
Very simple.
Yes. Anyone else wants to give me? Yes, Yuk Surana.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 63 ml is equals to
63,000 ml, you will say.
63,000 ml is equals to 63 L.
Yes, liter. Yes, Priyak.
No, I had written
Yes, I got 54 liter.
it's divided, but in my caps lock it's not divided, so I just
Okay.
put minus sign.
Yes. Bhakti.
Yes, ma'am. 4,000 ml is equal 4L.
How many liters?
4.
Very good. Janya. Janya, though I don't understand whether she listened
Yes,
or not.
ma'am.
Give me one example based on this situation.
Okay, ma'am. 14 liter.
No, don't copy. Someone has already written the 14 liter. Don't copy. Give me another thing.
Okay. 11 liter is equal to 11,000 milliliter.
But here the situation is different. Here you know the answer in milliliters and you need to convert into the liters. Suppose मैं
Okay,
आपको
ma'am.
बोलूं 64,000 milliliters. So it will be how many?
Ma'am, can I say the answer? I have to
Wait a
say
minute. If I am talking with someone, then why Barija you disturb in between?
Tadinka mom USA. USA India.
Janya, 64,000 milliliter equals to how many liters?
64,000 milliliter is equal to 64 milliliter.
Yes. So this way you can also give me your example, no? How you will convert the milliliter into the liters. Got it, Janya?
Okay, ma'am.
Varinya,
Ma'am, now what is the question 4?
I will give. Varinya, please give
Yes,
me
ma'am.
answer based on this situation. Prayag, good. Varinya, give me.
20,000 milliliters is equals to 20 liters.
Any other child? Okay, now the fourth situation.
Ma'am, I want to tell one.
Yes, Meer Virani.
Ma'am, of next one.
Okay, fourth situation.
Ma'am, now you will, ma'am, now you will go to which question? Convert liter
yourself.
into milliliter
Ah.
into liter.
Mute yourself now. Convert milliliter
Ma'am,
into liter and milliliter. Suppose I give you one example. 14,369 milliliter. Convert it into the convert it in. Let me explain one example. Then you raise your hands. Lower down your hands. Varinya and Varija, every time you go washroom in my class and don't attend, huh? Because I can see the messages here every time. In each of maths class, you children want to drink water, you children want to go to washroom. Then it is your choice whether you want to attend the maths class or not. Lower down your hands. Dev, Dirg, and Yuk Surana. The condition is convert milliliter into liter and milliliter. Just a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. Now here what you do is when you divide it these milliliter with the 1,000 is having 3 zeros. So take the 3 numbers from the back 1, 2, 3 places and put a decimal sign here. So before the decimal is the number in the liters and after the decimal the number is in the milliliters. So always remember 3 digits should come in the milliliters and the remaining number of digits will come in the liters. Yes, Meer Virani, give me.
Ma'am, I am not giving. Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, please
Ma'am,
ask.
so we will put decimal. So we will write ml also.
If
Decimal
you
and
are
ml
if you
also.
are first you write in this form that 14.36 and
Yes.
after this you need to write the second also answer also where you are writing the liter and milliliter also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am. So I can give one example.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, it is 60,000
Huh.
60,450.
450.
So, ma'am,
So
now
how
we
much?
will. We will write 60,000 decimal 450 divided by
Yes.
1,000.
डेसिमल यहाँ नहीं लगेगा when you are dividing then final answer में decimal लगेगा not here the decimal will come. Decimal will be the next step. जब आप divide का sign लगा के divide कर
Yes.
रहे हैं then there will be no decimal. When you are dividing after that will be the decimal here.
Okay, ma'am.
Next step.
Ma'am,
And then
so
next step में when you are dividing into the liters and milliliters so remove the decimal. Got it?
okay.
Yes, now tell me. Tell me fast.
Yes, ma'am. So now will be 60,000.
So how many liters and how many milliliters?
Okay, ma'am. 60,000 liter and 450.
60,000 liter. 60 liter.
Yes, ma'am. 60 liter and 450 ml.
Yes, milliliter. Please don't use the short form here. Use yes, Deep Patel.
Ma'am,
excuse me, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Yes.
92,567.
Hmm.
So the answer in the answer is 92 liter
Hmm.
5 567 ml.
Hmm. Yes. Next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Laisha.
Can you put your board down because I can't see?
Ma'am, so now we will write our own two sums, no?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have written in chat box.
Ma'am, in
Let
the
me
chat
check.
box now.
In your notebook, chat box.
Ma'am, after writing in the notebook, can we mail you?
No, classwork I don't want. Write in the chat box after writing in the notebook. Yes, Priyag, correct. Arnav Desai has not given any of the example.
I'm thinking.
Thinking from the beginning,
No,
from one situation, from first situation, you are
I
thinking
said
still.
I know. I'm writing notebook also.
Tell me one sum based on this situation.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me any big 7-digit number, 6-digit number, 8-digit number. Tell me.
Ma'am, so when we will put decimal, I'm confused in it.
Count the three because 1000 is having 3 zeros. So count the 3 digits from the back. 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I know how to do this.
Very good.
15,520 divide by
1000.
1,000.
So how many will come in the liters and how many in the milliliters?
1,000 0 3 cut 0 and in 9.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
Varija, you have an option of raising hand, no Varija. Today in the photo, full class, I am explaining this only.
ma'am, 0 to
Arnav Desai, you do one thing, write in the chat box. Just Varija, speak.
Ma'am, I have query at the end of the class. I will tell.
Yes.
We have to write 1,000. Like we have to write 1,000 down of.
You give me your number down. Don't learn the sums. Don't learn
14
Varija.
14 liters and 369 ml.
So this is my example already given, Varija. You give me your own example.
Okay, ma'am. 1567
1, 5, 6, 7,
8.
8.
Then we'll write 1,000. So the answer is 15 liters. 15 liters and 678 ml.
Yes. Anyone has a confusion based on these situations which we have done today? 4 situations.
No,
ma'am.
Yes, Miss Virani. Tell me.
Ma'am, in the 14369 sum, you have put the slash on down and
No, this I was no. This
So
I was
we
explaining
have
you.
to-
Either you write the divide sign, or you can write 1, 4, 3, 6, 9. Put a line and put 1,000 here. This is also a divide line.
But ma'am, I am telling you. So you have wrote that 14369. So down we have to write decimal one, no?
Yeah.
At the downside, no?
Yeah, these all are the steps to explain you. You can do it in a one direct method also mentally. Yeah,
Excuse
3
me,
digits will go in the milliliter, remaining digits will go in the liter. Yes, Priyag.
Ma'am, I had written another sum. Is it correct?
Let me check.
Even though I have written, can you check it?
Laisha, Ahana, these children have written. Very good. Navya has written. Laisha has written. Priyag, let me check yours. Priyag, which one you are asking? 96 one, no?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
96 liter is correct. 452. Ahana is correct. Navya is correct. And Laisha is correct.
Ma'am, I was asking about this which you have done that.
Now, children, listen. Today, I am going to send you the Google form based on the same concept conversion. Solve it in the notebook and then click the final answer in the Google form. Clear? Okay, students?
I didn't understood the activity which you gave yesterday.
That I have given you to cut the pages, right? That wrappers. Okay, that you are
Means the
asking, right?
stickers of it.
Yeah, stickers. So take the any empty bottles, take the stickers and paste it in your notebook and write that product is having how many milliliters in their capacity.
That
If it
means
is,
what is the quantity or capacity?
yes, capacity of that thing. Suppose if I have a ink bottle, this is the ink bottle in my hand, and if I take, possible for me to take the wrapper of this, I will take the wrapper of this, I will paste it here in the one column, I will write, put a line here, and opposite to it I will write the capacity of this bottle, that it is written 100 ml. If it is not possible for you to take the stickers, just write, take the name of the product, for example, ink bottle 100 ml, cough syrup 250 ml, oil, coconut
Excuse
oil
me.
45 ml.
Excuse me, ma'am. You are telling me an example like this. So I have a name bottles also, but I don't have a sticker on top.
So
So
take
can
the
I just
names.
with the pen and write it how many ml or liter it is?
Yes, take the pen. Yes, take the pen and write the
Okay,
name,
ma'am.
name and the how many ml, how much ml is this,
Okay, ma'am.
or the liter is this. Okay, students.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Ma'am, Ahana, I have one
Yes,
doubt.
Ahana.
Ma'am,
Yes,
HRM.
HRM.
Ma'am, HRM.
Yes.